friends, a very good day to all of you. You can see some sauces and lettuce here. So can you guess what I'm making today? Okay, so here this is the lettuce that I got from hydroponic farm. I had lots of it and now it's still fresh, but slightly you can see it's become little limp. So at this stage what we can do is we can use it in a different way other than salads. We always feel that lettuce only can be eaten in a salad form. No, but we can also saute it lightly, just like bok choy, using some assorted sauces of your choice. Add some garlic or put some mushrooms in it. So in any way you like, you can mix and match with different vegetables, stir fry it and serve it as a side dish. You can enjoy it with some plain rice or fried rice or noodles. So let's proceed. Stir fried lettuce with mushrooms. Very flavorful dish with lot of garlic and sauces. Looks so delectable. Serve it with jasmine rice or noodles. Heat about 3 tablespoons of oil. Take a heavy pan which is wider. Once the oil is hot, add 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic. Saute it until it changes the color. Keep stirring so that it gets fried evenly. Now add the onion cubes, about half cup. I have taken 2 medium-sized onions, cut them into cubes. You can also use the bulbs of spring onions or even shallots. Saute them until translucent. Now add some mushrooms. These are stir-fried mushrooms. What I do is, because they get spoiled faster, I slice them and saute them lightly and store them in the freezer. So this way you can take out and use as and when required. Saute them a bit. Now I am adding black bean sauce, about 1 teaspoon. If you don't have black bean sauce, you can go for oyster sauce also. And dark soy sauce, half teaspoon. If you are using normal light soy sauce, add 1 tablespoon. Stir them. The cooking is done on high flame. And 1 teaspoon of chili sauce. You can add ready-made chili sauce or Szechuan sauce, any kind of chili sauce. If you want to make it at home, you can also check out the recipe, how to make chili garlic sauce at home. The link is shared in the description box. Stir all the sauces together and now time to dip in the lettuce. Wash the lettuce very well and break it with fingers, don't cut them. If the leaves are tender, you can use them full, whole, like I have done, because this is baby lettuce and very tender. Add little bit of salt. Remember, all the sauces have salt, so you have to be very careful. Toss everything well with a spatula. You'll see the lettuce will start shrinking. At this stage, reduce the flame and add some cornstarch diluted in water, about 1 teaspoon. Diluted in 1/4 cup of water. First add half, then you can adjust the consistency as required. add little bit of water also, so that you get a nice thicker gravy. It's done. Do not overcook it. Dish it out. Doesn't it look so delicious? With all the mushrooms and onion chunks. You can enjoy it with jasmine rice. I really love it with jasmine rice. Or you can go for noodles also. Thank you for watching, and check out these videos from the archives. You might like them too. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye until then.